Hello friends, a very warm welcome into the series on the income tax cases. I want to update you that in our this series on the income tax cases, we have bifurcated the various cases and tried our level best to segregate the various videos according to the section wise in the playlist. So you can search your cases according to the playlist, and sometimes you can also search your cases according to the issue which is involved in your matter. The case which we have chosen for today's deliberation is based on section 45, that is computation of capital gain, and the name of the case is Ranveer Singh Chauhan versus Income Tax Officer, and this case has been reported in 114 ITR Tribunal short notes 18, and the matter has been decided by Delhi ITAT F bench on 30th July 2024. In the present case, there were two issues involved in the present case. The first issue is that if a person sells his property and at the time of the sale of the property or in the year in which the property is sold, if the total consideration is not received by the assessee, so whether the assessee will be taxable according to the sale consideration which will be written into the sale deed, or he will be taxable in the year in which the sale deed has been done, or in the year when he actually received the sale consideration. Because there can be a genuine issue. Sometimes the property is sold, the checks are received by the assessee, but they are encashed after 2 or 3 years due to some dispute. Then whether in that case the assessee is bound to pay the tax in the year of sale, or he can pay the tax in the year in which he actually received the consideration. This was the issue which was involved in the present case. In the present case, the assessment year is 1718. The assessee sold a property and there were some sale consideration which was not received by the assessee in the year of sale itself, and there was some dispute between the assessee and the purchaser of the property, and after filing a criminal complaint against the purchaser, the consideration was received after 3 years. The assessee has demonstrated that the assessee has paid the tax after 3 years, but the assessing officer of the view was that since the sale deed has been done, so the whole tax should be paid in the year in which the sale has been made. So when this issue was examined by the tribunal, because already the learned CIT appeal has given relief to the assessee on this point, that since the assessee has not received the whole consideration in the year of sale, so he can defer the tax to the year in which the consideration is received. So when this matter was heard by the tribunal, because the department has gone to the tribunal against the relief given by the CIT appeal to the assessee, so the tribunal was also of the view that since the assessee has not received the sale consideration in the year of sale, so if the assessee has paid the tax in the year of receipt of consideration, then that amount should not be taxed in the year of sale again. In the present case, there was another issue also. There was some cash deposited into the bank account of the assessee, and this cash deposit was out of the money received by the assessee by doing an agreement to purchase a land from another person, and when this amount was paid, the assessee was not able to fulfill the commitment because the assessee has not received the sale consideration for the property which the assessee has sold. So when he didn't receive the money, so he was not able to fulfill his commitment, and accordingly whatever the amount he has paid for the purchase of another property, that amount was received back and he deposited that amount into the bank account. So for this deposit of cash into the bank account, the assessing officer has made the addition. So when this matter was heard by the tribunal was of the opinion that the assessee is able to demonstrate the source of that cash deposit, so the addition on that behalf also does not sustain. So on both the grounds, the assessee got the relief from the tribunal. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Ranveer Singh Chauhan versus Income Tax Officer, and this case has been reported in 114 ITR Tribunal, short notes 18, and the matter has been decided by Honorable ITAT Delhi F Bench on 30th July 2024. Thank you, friends.